Hello everyone, finally Honda company is going to be launch its one more new bike in Indian two-wheeler market, and this newly upcoming bike is based on the 100cc platform. Recently Honda company uploaded a lots of teasers of this upcoming bike in its social media handles, and in Indian two-wheeler market we can clearly see the hype and demand of this upcoming bike because of it is highly demanding bike right now in Indian market. And Honda company this upcoming bike will launch on 15th March of 2023. But a lot of features and specifications of this upcoming Honda company bike is fully revealed. So in terms of looking and design, the upcoming Honda company bike will get a decent design and look. But overall the looking of this upcoming bike is really good, and definitely it will be attract the audience by its looking and design. The looking and design of this upcoming bike is exactly same as the previous model of Honda company, which is Honda CB Shine bike. It means overall the look of this upcoming bike is inspired by the Honda CB Shine bike. So in the front section of this bike, Honda company will offer curvy shaped headlight and signal turn indicators, and these indicators are halogen indicators, and the company also offered outer rear view mirrors in a black color. And in the mid section of this bike, it gets decent design fuel tank and single and comfortable seat, and company has also used the blacked out effects on the body panels of this upcoming bike. And in the rear section of this bike, it gets tail light and signal turn indicators, and the company also offered grab rail in the rear section of this upcoming bike. So yeah, this is the basic features of this upcoming Honda company bike. And after that, talking about the key features of this upcoming bike, maybe it will get semi-digital instrument cluster, and maybe company will also offer fully digital instrument cluster. Recently it is not officially revealed yet, but maybe it will get semi-digital instrument cluster, and definitely this cluster will get a lots of features like speedometer, odometer, tachometer, fuel indicator, gear indicator, and many more basic features are also offered. So after that, finally talking about the engine specifications of this newly upcoming bike. The Honda company is offered 100cc engine, and this engine is capable to generate a peak output power of 8 bhp and 8 Nm peak output torque. And this 100cc engine is mated to a 4-speed or 5-speed manual gearbox. Recently the gearbox is not officially confirmed yet, but definitely it will give the best performance in this upcoming Honda company bike. And we will also get approx 60 to 65 km per liter mileage, which is really good. And after that, talking about the hardware configurations of this upcoming bike, the Honda company will offer 5-spoked alloy wheels, and the braking duty of this upcoming bike is handled by the disc brake or the drum brake, because of the company will offer two variants. The first one is drum brake variant and the second one is disc brake variants. And after that, talking about the suspension duty of this upcoming bike, definitely Honda company is offered best suspension duty because of in the front section of this upcoming bike it gets telescopic fork suspension, and in the rear section of this bike it gets shock absorber suspensions. Both are the best suspensions, and definitely they will provide the comfortable and smooth riding experience in this upcoming Honda company bike. So yeah, this is the basic features and specifications of this upcoming bike. Hopefully you like it and enjoy it. Make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. So yeah, thank you for watching.